Building with Papa. Okay, does your dryer vent look like this? Your dryer's probably not drying very well. These corrugated pipes don't work very well when you're trying to get your pipe over to the dryer. They're getting damaged and they just don't hold up. This is what you need to purchase. This way you can have your dryer closer or further away. It telescopes out and you'll be able to hook it up to your dryer and the vent pipe. Get some tape, the silver tape, and tape all these ends. You can also use a 4-inch clamp. I use that on the dryer end, and then the other side I did use a clamp that went to the vent pipe, but I taped it also because this one was on an angle. But now they won't have any problem, it won't get damaged, and they'll have a nice flow, and now they're able to dry their clothes quickly instead of having to run 2 cycles or possibly even 3 sometimes. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, have a great day everybody.